Oh, there she is. Perfect. Okay. So, question number 3. I got the null hypothesis.
Yep, me too.
Okay. Question number 4, I put the null hypothesis.
Yep, that's what I did.
Okay. Number 5, I put 3, like C.
The not equal.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I
6, I put A.
Yep.
7, I put B.
Yep.
And what did you guys get for 8?
I did p-value is greater than, I know that's not an A.
Alpha
Alpha.
is greater than. Okay, this is a dumb question, but can someone just refresh my memory about what's the greater than and less than sign?
So, let me explain that. I guess in not elementary, whenever you learn this, they always say it's kind of like an alligator is going to eat whatever's greater than. So it's eating, p-value is greater than the alpha. And you know how
Oh, got it.
that makes
Okay.
Yeah, that's how I learned it too.
And I thought the right tail and left tail was kind of nice because I kind of felt like, oh, the tail end of the triangle is facing the right or the left. The right.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
I got A. I don't know if that's plain one.
Okay, so for number 9, it would be B, right? Or p-value is less than alpha?
That's what I got.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Question 10. What'd you guys get for 10?
I guessed, but I thought it was less than 1,500, but I could be very wrong.
Less than 1,500 is what you said?
Yeah.
Let me just reread it again. Insurance companies saying they believe that the average claim amount was 1,500. Their concern is actually higher.
Well, I guess
yeah, that would be right because that would be the opposite of your null.
Because would the null be, greater than, higher?
Would be greater than. Yeah. At least that's what I gather from it. So then number 11, is that what we're on? 11 would be the average claim amount is greater than 1,500.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Okay. Number 12, the insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption?
I put it is a good assumption since the sample size is large.
Yeah, because the sample size has to be 30 or more and then it's large, right?
Yep. Yeah, I would agree. Okay. What theorem or law justifies your answer to the previous question? Central limit theorem?
I put law of large numbers, but tell me if I'm wrong.
Oh.
That's what I guess.
I think the central, let me just double check myself. But I thought that the law of large numbers was the one about the population mean being.
Is the central limit theorem the one that says if it's this, then it's normal?
It's approximately normal. Okay. Sampling distribution of the sample mean will be normal if the sample size is large.
Okay. Then that's it. You're right.
So then it's the central limit, right?
Yeah.
Which of the following is the test statistic as defined in this lesson? Test statistic? Would that be X bar or?
I found it to be Z. That's what
S?
and a Z.
I did Z too.
Yeah, 'cause it's like the new value.
So are we going with S?
What?
Can't remember. Were we going with S? Sorry.
Z.
Z. Oh, okay. Right. 15. Z-score. So do you this whole lesson has just been so confusing to me. So to get the Z-score of this, you take 144 minus the 150, right? Over 40.
I did not do this question, so let me look.
Or which one?
Question where
15 or?
yeah, 15.
I did negative 0.9.
Is it just the Z equals absolute value X minus U over gosh.
Sigma? That's what I thought, but I get negative 0.15.
Where's my calculator? I'm finding it. $150 minus oh no. 144. Sorry, I'm just trying to see.
That's okay. This is where I get really confused.
144. $150. 144 minus 150 minus. Yeah, I didn't get what Mari got. Mari, could you help us? What form?
What did you get, Lauren?
I got negative 0.32.
Oh,
And I know that's not easy. I'm not calculating.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just sent the answers to my email because I'm in the car. I don't can't work it out. But I mean, I could totally be wrong. But
I'm just trying to figure out. I guess we can just skip it.
Yeah, I'll have to come back to this one then.
And then what is the p-value associated with the z-score?
I got 0.184. That one.
Which way did you shade the applet, Mari? Do you remember?
I do not. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Well, I guess they're trying to figure out, do you feel like the average is decreased? So would you shade everything to the left?
I believe it was to the left.
Usually that's what you do.
And what was your answer again, Mari?
0.184.
0.18. Okay. When I do that, that's what I get. Okay, 17. What inference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem? So if it's less than 0.5, you would reject it, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's rejected then, right?
That's what I think.
That's what I'm assuming. And then what is your conclusion for this problem? We have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150. I don't even know how to interpret that.
So we're rejecting. We're rejecting that it's equal to $150.
So it would be, we have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150.
Yeah, I think so, because that's the alternative hypothesis.
Okay, 19. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the hypothesis is true? Type 1?
That's what I put.
Okay. 20.
I'm gonna try to submit mine to see. What,
Okay.
What?
20.
Isn't it type 2 will increase? Where did I read that?
I thought maybe it would be more valid. Or no? Would I be wrong?
Oh, just
Okay. So I was able to submit mine. So the 15 would be the negative 0.9,
Okay.
and then the 16 would be the 0.184. But I think 17 you guys were going with reject, but I did fail to reject, and that one was correct.
oh,
Which would change 18 to we have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150.
Oh, we were way off the ball, guys.
yay!
Yay!
More to study.
There
Okay.
are 2 types of errors, blah, blah. And then we thought that 19 was type 1.
Yeah, I got type 1 for that.
Okay, and then 20, I am at a loss.
I did the B answer probability of a type 2 error.
Will increase.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. That's it.
Okay, if alpha is 0.05, compute the probability of committing a type 1 error. What?
So this one I didn't understand because I thought 0.05 was the probability. 1 over 20 is
It is. It's one of those, like, they give you the answer in the question, so it was the 0.05.
Oh. Okay.
So the answer is the question.
The 0.05 for 21.
I was sitting.
Lesson is really hard.
I was
I
looking
agree.
at that question forever, trying to figure. It's like, but it is 0.05.
I hate when they try to do like that.
Okay, let's see how we did. So I missed 10. We
For
put
10, I got
the average claim amount is less than 1,500.
the one above that.
Greater.
Greater than.
What?
Oh my gosh. And I got 11 wrong, so that would be the opposite. And those are the only two I got wrong.
11, I got A. The claim is equal to 1,500.
Whoa, guys, that was rough. Okay, so should we meet on Monday again?
Yeah.
7 or 7:30?
Oh. Well, actually, I don't know if I'll meet on Monday. That's my husband's day off work.
Oh, yeah, why don't we do Tuesday since Monday's Memorial Day?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Tuesday would be fine. How did you ladies do on the exam?
I got an 85. I was pretty mad.
I got an 85.
I got a 95 too. Okay, so Tuesday we'll meet. And what time works best?
The 7's fine for me if it works for everybody.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Sounds good. I'm going to put it in right now. Okay, guys, have a good Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, bye.